On infected computers, a new Linux virus that was created with the help of the shell script compiler, ASEC, has been seen installing a Bitcoin miner. According to a study released today by AhnLab Security Emergency Response Center, ASEC, it is suspected that following successful login using a dictionary attack on poorly managed Linux SSH servers, different viruses were installed on the target machine. Shell scripts may be easily translated into binaries with the help of ASEC, providing security against unwanted source code alterations. It is comparable to Windows bat2exe application, which can turn any batch file into an executable. A successful penetration of the SSH server triggers the deployment of SHC downloader malware and a Perl-based DDoS IRC bot in the attack chain described by the South Korean cybersecurity company. The IRC bot is able to connect to a remote server and download commands for launching distributed denial of service (DDoS) assaults. The SHC downloader then goes on to download the XMRig miner software to mine Bitcoin. According to ASEC researchers, this bot supports not just DDoS assaults like TCP flood, UDP flood, and HTTP flood, but a number of additional functions including command execution, reverse shell, port scanning, and log deleting. The campaign appears to be primarily targeted at unsecured Linux SSH servers in South Korea, as evidenced by the fact that all of the SHC downloader artifacts were uploaded to VirusTotal from that nation. Users are advised to practice password hygiene and rotate their passwords on a regular basis to guard against brute force and dictionary attacks. Updating the operating systems is also recommended.